Adding Disney Plus to your EETV box is straightforward and seamless. As of August 2025, the integration between Disney and EE has been significantly strengthened, making the installation process smooth and reliable. There are two primary methods to install Disney Plus on your EETV box. Let's start with Method 1, using the EETV app stored directly from your main menu. Method 2 offers an even faster approach using voice commands. Simply press the voice button on your EE remote and speak your request directly. Both installation methods ensure you receive the latest version of Disney Plus, fully optimized for your specific EETV box model. The installation completes automatically, and you'll be ready to enjoy Disney's extensive content library. Now that Disney Plus is installed on your EETV box, it's time to sign in and start enjoying your favorite content. The process is straightforward and offers multiple convenient options. First, launch the Disney Plus app from your EETV home screen. You'll find it in your Apps section or on the main dashboard if you've recently installed it. When you launch Disney Plus, you'll see several sign-in options. You can use your email and password, pair with your mobile device using a QR code, or use a web browser activation code. If you choose mobile pairing, you can use your phone to sign in quickly. The Disney Plus mobile app makes this process seamless and secure. If you have Disney Plus as part of your EE subscription bundle, the account linking process will streamline your sign-in experience, automatically connecting your services. After signing in successfully, you can set up multiple profiles for different family members and configure parental controls to ensure age-appropriate content for everyone. Your streaming experience will vary depending on your EETV box model. The EETV Box Pro and Apple TV 4K variants support enhanced 4K streaming, while the EETV Box Mini provides standard HD quality. The Disney Plus user interface is seamlessly integrated with EE's TV platform, providing smooth navigation and an excellent viewing experience. You can now enjoy all your favorite Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content directly through your EETV box.